todas son lo mismo.
Ah, sí.
Hello, we are Ibayan and John, and we are going to speak about the moles and the ladybirds.
Now we are going to start speaking about the mole.
The mole is an insectivorous mammal, normally black, like this, and the mole is usually more or less of 10 or 15 centimeters long and 3 centimeters of long tail. They have a long nose, like a trunk. They have 4 legs and a small tail. They didn't have ears, so they have inner ear, and they don't see very well because they have very small eyes.
Diet. The moles are insectivorous, so they always eat insects, but their favorite food are the worms.
The habitat. The moles live in forests or in lands, and they like living under the ground, like this. In dens. These are dens. They have special hands like shovels to dig and create the tunnels and dens. Sometimes when it's a sunny day, they open their dens exit to the sun.
Enemies. The moles live under the ground, and because of this, they didn't have many enemies. But also, the humans kill the moles because they make their tunnels in the vegetables gardens and eagles or foxes also.
The moles mate between March and May, and the female do one nest to have their babies in May, more or less. They born between 2 and 8 babies, but normally only born 2 or 3.
Species. The moles are insectivorous mammals like the hedgehogs or the snakes. There are many species of moles, 20 more or less, and the most famous are the European mole and the starry-nosed mole that live in America.
And now we are going to speak about the ladybird.